Ciao yogis, welcome to your Evolution Yoga Pranayama tutorial for Bhastrika, bellows breath. My name is John, and it's simple. Kapha dosha, or the earth and water elements found in nature and in your body, is most prevalent at this time, the end of winter, beginning of spring. So the best way is a vigorous pranayama called Bhastrika, or bellows breath. And bellow comes from the movement of the lungs, torso, and spine. And the stomach goes to and fro with a big inhale, full lungs, and a vigorous exhale through the nose, like so. Now, you start simple, from the bottom up. Your seat, your feet. You can be in lotus, easy pose, half lotus, whatever. You can even be in a chair. But for demonstration purposes, I'm on the floor. Knees as close to the floor as you can. Hips elevated at least to the height of your knees. Most of you will need your hips above your knees, like I do. So, feet, knees, hips, spine straight, hands to Yana Mudra. Hands to your hip crease to give space for your lungs, your ribs, and the movement. Chin down, eyes closed. And I will demonstrate 10 reps, one set. And when you're finished with either 10 or 20 reps and you're finished with your set, you can do 2 sets. Exhale completely. Exhale, exhale, exhale all the air out. Suck your stomach in. Engage your Mula Bandha, Uddiyana Bandha, and Jalandhara Bandha, and hold your breath for about 10 seconds. Here we go. Afterwards, rest, find a natural breath, meditate. Eyes to Shambhavi Mudra, if you know it. If not, Google. Just observe. Just observe your feelings, just observe your breath. No thoughts, just be. Now, like I said, 10 reps for beginners, 20 reps, normal, 2 sets, and that could be your first pranayama of the day, and you can follow with alternate nostril, Kapalabhati, skull shining, anything you want, or you can do this by itself. It's wonderful to invigorate the body, decongest, burn that kapha, and have a wonderful day. Thanks again. Namaste.